All right. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ask Nolan. Today we're going to be taking a look at a few sixth grade math problems dealing with unit rate. And just as a reminder, remember, unit rate, in order to determine the unit rate, you just have to figure out the order in which you need to divide two numbers, okay? So let's go ahead and work on number 9, and we got 3 questions today in this video. So let's go ahead and get it started. The table shows Ali's typing speed. How fast does Ali type in words per minute? So already here is the unit rate here that they want us, or the units that they want us to do. So it's going to be words divided by minute. All right. So we have two groups here. Here's the first one. So words would be 1,360 divided by 40. And we also have to take a look at 2,040 divided by 60. Since they're both in the same table, when we divide them, they should equal the same rate. So let's go ahead and check that out. Just pull your calculators out. And the first one is going to be 1,360 divided by 40. That equals 34. Let's take a look at the next one. 2,040 divided by 60. That also equals 34. So when you divide both of these, no matter what, this or that, it's going to equal 34. So we know that Ali types 34 words per minute, or every minute. And there we go. Let's take a look at number 10. Sarah uses 35 yards of fabric to make 24 tablecloths, which is an equivalent rate. All right, so when we have to determine it, we're actually allowed to write it, how we want, as long as the units are in the right place and the numbers are in those correct places with them. So we have yards and tablecloths. So we can write it as yards per cloth, and I'm just shortening it. We know it's tablecloth. Or we can do cloth per yards. Okay? Either way, however we write it, the numbers have to associate with the words. But if we take a look at these answer choices, and it'll help us out to figure out which one we need to use. It says tablecloths per yard, so cloth per yard. So we're not doing yards per cloth. We're doing cloth per yard. So this is the one we need to be focused on. Now we can go ahead and, using the numbers they gave us, the cloth, that number was 20. The yards number is 35. All right. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use the handheld calculator. So 20 over 35. Once again, I'm going to show you one of the useful techniques for the handheld calculator. And it's going to be using the ABC button right here. So we're going to type in that fraction, 20 over 35, okay? 20, ABC, 35. Now, when we hit equals, this calculator is going to take this fraction and give us the simplified fraction. And we don't have to try to figure out how to simplify it. The calculator will do it for us, as long as we know how to type it in. So you hit equals, and it gives us 4 over 7. So we know that this right here, this fraction, is also equal to 4 over 7. So now we just need to pick our correct answer, which would be answer choice B. 4/7 of a tablecloth per yard of fabric. There we go. All right, one more question. Number 11. Number 11 reads, Amanda spent a total of $1,440 for lunches during the last 4 months. What is her unit rate? Or excuse me, what is the unit rate? So all of these say dollars per month, dollars per month, dollars per month. So we already know that we need to put the cost on top, the dollars, and months on the bottom. Okay? So that would be 1,440 divided by 4. Or if you wanted to write it like this, you could, using the division symbol. Either way, that's how we're going to type it in the calculator. So let's go to the calculator, and I'm going to use the online one. Clear it. So 1,440 divided by 4 is 360. So we know either way, both of these equal 360. Doesn't matter how you write it, you get the same answer. So Amanda's unit rate, she was spending $360 per month on lunch. All right, folks. Hopefully that was helpful to you all. I'll see y'all back for some more math videos later.